Hello and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen Little Crafter. Additional information about this show and my podcast show, arts and everything in between can be found on my website, eileenlittlecrafter.com. Alrighty guys, sorry about that. I was messing around with the angles. Anyways, sorry it's a little dark. I gotta add a lot of light in here, but anyways, so let you guys know, I got the subscription box from, I believe this is, holy camoli, what is this? I believe this is Happy Crafters. If it's not, then I'll put the name. Yep, this is Happy Crafters. And apparently they have a subscription box, and this one is in the 80s. Chilling out. You get you can download some exclusive files. Colors may vary. Thank you for your subscription box. It says your purchase. Excited to craft. Get excited to craft. Please check out the email for your application instructions and cut files and tutorials. So you get these cool little, I guess, like files. You get included in this box, you'll find one fanny pack, you'll find a transfer sheet, 4 sheets, 2 foil, and adhesive. You'll find easy bead, 1 craft perfect, 4 CZ scissor easy bead, 1 CZ holographic, 1 CZ easy bead electric, and 2 CZ glitter. So let's see what's going on up in here. Alrighty, so let's play with this pink. Whatchamacallit? Ooh, yay! The fanny pack is in black. Awesome sauce. Alright. Oh no, it's not black. It's purple. Oh well, it looked black for a minute there. So this is the fanny pack. I actually really didn't know. So I guess since it's the 80s. Sorry about the crinkling. Alright, sorry. Hopefully I don't have to open anything else. This is actually from Mod West. So I guess this is like a little fanny pack. This is I guess this will be good, you know, like if you're walking or whatever. I don't know if I use it or maybe just kind of just, I don't know. We will figure it out. Anyways, so I'm guessing this is some vinyl of sorts. It doesn't look like. Oh, this is the transfer tape. So this is the transfer tape. So that's the transfer tape. These are some heat transfer vinyls. Transfers. Choose a design, trim around the end mask it, and then apply heat. So this is kind of a little bit of that. Oh my goodness, that is so crazy. I kind of made a card like that. And I'll share with you that the next time in one of my emails. I mean, not my emails. In my videos, I actually made it. Whatchamacallit? Okay, so it comes with this folder, which is cool. Because the box, I'm telling you, I don't know what happened to the box, but the box looked like a hot mess. I'm guessing these are transfer sheets of sorts. So that's good to know. Because doesn't feel like anything is in there. So these are transfer sheets, I guess. And this is some type of, or maybe glue, I don't know. I have to double check and look at their website. And maybe, hopefully, this is their foil. I guess that's the reason why it's like that. And I'm guessing this is the glue. I'm not 100% sure. Again, I'm still learning about all this stuff. That's the reason why I got this subscription box. Oh my goodness. Alrighty, so I'm guessing this is some type of vinyl. This is pearlescent metallic. This doesn't have any name on it. No, it doesn't have any name on it. So this is really pretty. This is really pretty. So we have, what is this? Craft Perfect Seafoam. What is this? This is metallic pearlescent. Okay. And then we have this one. Is it? Yeah, it's really pretty. I love this. This color is really nice. I'm guessing this is, I'll figure it out. So this is black. We also have some, so that's that. Then we have more vinyl. And this is like a pink. Oh, this will be perfect for my nieces. Different shirts. Got a bunch of shirts that I have to make. I messed up. If you guys saw on my Instagram account or my Facebook or whatever, I did a ladybug shirt and I was supposed to put the words Little Sis on it, but unfortunately I forgot to mirror that. Everything else came out really well. The heat press worked amazingly, and purple is really cool. This is really very neon pink. Holy camole, I used to wear colors like this back in my day. When Madonna first came out, if you guys remember, like these neon pinks and oranges were like the bomb back in the 80s. So that is so stinking funny. And then this is sparkly tangerine. This is really cute. And then we have this one. It doesn't have a name, I think, yet. Nope, doesn't have a name on it. This feels like, let me see, I'm just going to mess around with the corner here. Yep, this is definitely vinyl for your easy press or your, basically HCD or iron-on vinyl. So yeah. So that is what came in my subscription box from Happy Planners, and so I'm gonna hashtag them and put Happy Planners. If you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below, or you can always email me. My email address is eileen@eileenlittlecraft.com. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.